Right now we're driving out to Lenhartsville, Pennsylvania. It's about 2 hours away. That's where the Boyesen factory is. We're gonna go visit my buddy Glenn, and we're actually gonna take a tour of the factory and see where all those sweet two-stroke parts are made, and four-stroke. But let's face it, Reeds are two-strokes. So. Here he is. This is where the magic happens, right? Isn't that what they say?
Oh, I guess, yeah.
What do you got going on?
Oh, I'm just designing some prototype stuff to try on the dyno. You know, always tinkering, always trying something.
We see that with your desk of goodies.
It's kind of a mess.
You guys actually make everything in-house here.
Yep, everything.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna show people how you make two strokes go fast.
Sweet.
Or four strokes. Or old carbureted four strokes.
Yeah, old carbureted four strokes.
This is we had a conversation about this thing right here, the quick shot, and he explained that all you guys with old carbureted four strokes need to get that to get rid of that bog, right?
That's right. Yeah.
So order up, you guys got plenty.
Yes, we do.
All right, where are we at?
So right now we're in the wax room. So this is where basically all of our cast parts kind of take birth, so to speak. So over here we have almost every single one of our tools for either rat valves, clutch covers, water pumps, you name it. All these tools are made in-house. And basically we take them, we put them on the machine and inject wax into them. So there you can see the tool there. So it's an actual kind of inverse replica of the part. So therefore the wax will inject into here, fill the cavity up, and we just pull the part out. So here is all the parts after they've been injected, and they are all sitting here waiting to be treed up. So you can see what a part looks like before it actually goes to the slurry and goes to the foundry.
So what are you doing here? They got you in the corner here slaving.
I'm trimming and inspecting the parts to tree them up.
So if there's an imperfection, we can blame you.
Yeah, no there's none. I catch them all. If there's an imperfection down the line, it's their fault.
This is it when Glenn takes a bath. That's what it looks like afterwards.
Yeah. Here we're in the slurry room. So this is where the parts that came, the wax parts, they get treed up. And what we do is we dump them in this slurry solution here, and it's the starter coat of the ceramic build we do. And they go into the sand here, and the sand coats it, and the stuff dries, and it creates a shell. And it goes through multiple processes, multiple coats. We do about 5 coats depending on the size of the part, and that gives it some rigidity and some structure. So this is actually a wax piece that's been glued to another wax piece. This is a funnel that's glued to it. So we're just building layers upon layers on top of the wax piece. Like middle of the process here, probably 3 or 4 coats in. And this is over several days it takes to do them all. We have our sheets here to keep track of all the bidding schedules and stuff like that. Alright, so when those parts are done, then they come in here and they go into the autoclave. This autoclave basically pressurizes and steams the parts so that the wax will melt. And the wax melts out of the parts, they get dumped into this stuff. When we pull the shells out, the shells are now going to be hollow. So then the shells are going to go into this oven over here that we built by hand, and they basically cook them, and it burns out any residual ash or any moisture or anything that was in it. Cooks them, gets the shells up to 1400 degrees, so that when we introduce the aluminum into them, that they don't separate from each other. They need to be the same temperature when they pour. You can see some bars of aluminum sticking out, waiting for the next melt cycle. They're just sitting there waiting to go.
That's just waiting to be sick ass cases for your bike.
That's right. Yeah.
or a valve, whatever.
Yeah, you gotta wear that to go in there because it's like opening the gates of hell when you open them. You can still feel the residual heat coming off this. They were probably poured at like 8 this morning.
And for everybody, it's like 1. Who built this stove? Your dad? This oven?
What,
behind
the oven
us?
here?
Yeah.
Basically, my dad's right-hand man. Basically, the guys that kind of helped my dad build the company from inception. You know, they did a lot of manual labor for him. They're really good craftsmen and good with their hands.
Were they also Norwegian?
No, they're actually local people from around here.
Were they Amish?
No.